As head of department, I'm involved in overseeing the activities of the staff and students registered in our programs. My name is Kapil Moothi. I'm an associate professor and the head of department for chemical engineering technology at the Dorfordine campus for the University of Johannesburg. So the department is inclusive and welcoming of students from abroad, including Africa and internationally, as well as students in South Africa. As long as they meet the entrance requirements, the department is very accepting of such international and local students.
My name is Johannes Ndayeza. I'm a third year student at the University of Johannesburg, currently pursuing a Bachelor of Engineering Technology in Chemical Engineering. I come from Zimbabwe and I would like to work as a chemical engineering technologist after graduation. What I enjoy about chemical engineering is that it encompasses almost every engineering aspect, especially the practicals that I do in mineral processing. They're actually something that I experience in real life.
The department is also proud of the fact that it's a part of the International Engineering Alliance, the IEA, because of EXA being a signatory of this IEA alliance, and one of those alliances is the Sydney Accord. So the Sydney Accord is relevant to us in that our engineering technologists are able to have internationally recognized and accredited qualifications so that when they move abroad internationally, their qualifications are accredited and recognized so that they do not need to start their studies again. This allows them to move more easily into having careers abroad. We have a new program. The Bachelor of Engineering Technology program is a 3-year full-time qualification based at the Dorfordine campus. It is the National Qualifications Framework, NQF Level 7. Once you attain the qualification, in order to enter the qualification, you need an admission point score, an APS score of at least 30, and you need the subjects that are compulsory that you need to have done is English, mathematics, and physical science. For English, you will need a score of at least 5. For mathematics, you will need a score of at least 5, and also for physical science, you will need a score of at least 5 in order to get entry into this program. You need to be an analytical person in your thinking. You need to be orientated to liking problem solving. So you need to also show that you are creative, you have a high level of ingenuity. You should view math as a challenge and not something as a problem.
Hi, my name is Gidiboni. I'm currently doing Masters in Chemical Engineering. I started with my diploma here at UJ and then I did BTech in Chemical Engineering. So now my research is about the treatment of wastewater from industrial processes, trying to purify the water that we are drinking.
So chemical engineering technologists are involved in a variety of chemical processes in various industries, such as in the pharmaceutical industry, petroleum industries, water and wastewater treatment, and production processes.
Hi, my name is Gil Ndlovu. I am currently doing my Masters in Chemical Engineering. My research focus area is the production of graphene. Graphene is an upcoming technology that will be used mainly in our smartphones.
The qualification also allows you to work in environmental management in terms of monitoring pollution, in terms of air, land and water pollution.
So after graduation, I would also like to work for big companies like Sasso.
I would like to work for Armsco because they focus on explosives and the safety of people in the military, and I think that's very interesting for me.
So the types of jobs or roles that you could do as a chemical engineering technologist, you could be working as a research scientist, a chemical engineer or chemical engineering technologist, an analytical scientist, a production manager, a quality assurance supervisor, and also a process controller, a process operator. Because of the problem-solving skills developed by doing this qualification, you can work in different vocational fields where you can add value to companies such as Engine or Sasso. You can also work in management consulting firms such as McKinsey and Bain & Company. Because of these skills and your aptitude, you can also work in the financial services industry for working for banks such as Nedbank, First National Bank, Investec, RMB. You can also work in fast-moving consumer goods companies such as Unilever or Massmart, and it also allows you to further your qualifications so that you can possibly take on roles in academia too.
We've got different equipments in this laboratory. For an example, we've got a distillation column here which is working on With the distillation column, basically we are separating methanol and water. We also have other laboratories in the building which we use for teaching and learning. The reason why we have that is because we don't want all our students in the same room for safety reasons.
A student studying in this department has opportunities to do site visits such as SASO, ESCOM, Heineken, SAB, so as to get an idea of the work that you would do. So chemical engineering graduates from the department and program have shown to be highly employable and have attained employment within 12 months of graduating, and this is akin to the department and the staff and the program equipping you well with the problem-solving skills, critical thinking and knowledge needed to succeed.
Hi, my name is Hussein Amin. I'm from Johannesburg and I'm studying my second year of chemical engineering at UJ. And what I like most about the course is distillation columns.
Hello, my name is Brandon Greenwood. I'm a second year currently studying BA Tech Chemical Engineering. Always look for a challenge in life, and I believe that this was a very challenging course.
So you should come to study at the Chemical Engineering Department at UJ and do our new Bachelor of Engineering Technology program. As the HUD, I look forward to welcoming you to the department at UJ and watching you succeed and attain your qualification so that you can make a meaningful contribution to society.